Hello everyone. This is the first video of Flowgorithm series in which I am going to introduce you the Flowgorithm Command Line Interface and some other crazy Flowgorithm ideas. If you are not familiar with Flowgorithm, you can visit the homepage of Roberto Atzori or the YouTube channel of Damian Burrin. The Flowgorithm Command Line Interface allows you to run, convert, unit test, and do some other stuff with your Flowgorithm programs from command line. This could be very useful if you have larger projects, many students, or you would like to make some other crazy things with Flowgorithm programming language. Let's start the installation. All links are in the description. The command line interface heavily depends on the Flowgorithm itself. So if you do not have the Flowgorithm yet, you should start with it. You'll need to download and install the 64-bit version of Flowgorithm Major version 2 from the Flowgorithm homepage. To make it easier to use, add the application directory to the system paths. Now, it should be possible to start the Flowgorithm from command line. To install the command line interface, simply download the latest Major 2 version from GitLab repository to the Flowgorithm directory. You should be able to start the command line interface by typing FG into the command line. If everything works, you can try to create a simple Flowgorithm program and run it from console. You have to start the console, change the directory to the directory with the code, and run it by typing fg run and the file name. You are done.